going to do a little DIY kind of thing with my grandmother's table. So I'm trying to make it to be more modern. I'm going to be using this matte black spray paint, and I will show you guys how it's going to be after this video. So all I'm going to do right now is, the first step that I actually did is I wiped this table just to remove all the dust so that the paint can set nicely. So I'm just going to spray paint it now. I was spray painting it. I just used only one spray bottle. If you really want it to be very matte, I'd advise that like at least get 2 spray bottles. And I'm just going to show you how the table looks now. Please come closer. Go around the corners. Okay guys, that is just the video that I have for you today, my DIY. I will show you how it will be on my apartment and how I'm going to do the whole setting in my apartment. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.